If you watch my channel, you know I review a lot of tablets and two-in-ones that are pen-based, either the N-Trig technology that you'd find in the Surface Pen, or with the Wacom AES technology that we've been seeing a lot as of late. But one problem that plagues all of these pens is the fact that they require a quadruple A battery that's not easy to find and gets expensive over the long haul. And not to mention the pens can get very expensive themselves. For instance, the new Surface Pen is very expensive at $99. And just as expensive is the Dell Premium Active Pen, also $99, and I checked it out with my recent review of the Dell XPS 15 2-in-1. And so I've been on the hunt for a pen I can use with my Surface Book that won't break the bank and is rechargeable, and I came across this. Hey everybody, it's Andrew, and this is the Heiyo Surface Pen. Coming up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I've got a lot of great things on the way to the studio, and of course don't forget to follow me on Twitter to get all the latest updates. The Heiyo Surface Pen comes in at $44.99, and to me that's a steal because that comes in more than half the price of the new Surface Pen. I'll put the link below for more information and where you can get it. It uses the same N-Trig pen technology as the Surface Pen, and it's 100% compatible with the Surface Pro 3, Surface Pro 4, the new Surface Pro, the Surface Laptop, the Surface Book, Surface Book 2, and of course the Surface Studio. It also has 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. That's the same as the new Surface Pen. It feels a bit lighter in the hands than the Surface Pen, and it has a premium look and feel. Overall build quality is very good. It's made of aluminum alloy and should be durable over the long-term use. And with this pen, you're not going to need quadruple A batteries, as it has a rechargeable battery that can last for 500 hours with 180 days of standby. That's pretty impressive. And in order to maximize battery life, it will automatically turn off when not in use. That's pretty good. It charges via micro USB, and they include the cable in the box. And there's an indicator light that lights up blue to let you know the pen is charging. Now, speaking of charging, it takes about 4 hours to fully charge this device, but of course that will give you an astounding 500 hours of use. That's actually pretty good. There are two buttons on the pen, the eraser button and a right-click button. That's pretty good. Now, I'm not going to say that this is the same exact experience as a Surface Pen. It's a little bit less than that, but the responsiveness was very good. It had very low latency, and taking notes in programs such as OneNote worked well. But keep in mind, the Surface Pen is more than double in price. Now, as you can see with the Surface Book, palm rejection is working well, and it actually was very good for sketching out artwork. Overall, digital artists should find this very good. It has a soft plastic tip, and it's not very hard, so that's very good when you're using it against the glass on your device. Yeah, I know I'm not much of an artist, but I think you get the idea. The Heiyo Surface Pen is a great alternative to the Surface Pen at half the price. How can you go wrong with that? Of course, it's not exactly like the Surface Pen, but I didn't expect it. But then again, great value at this price point. So head on over to my Amazon link below for more information and where you can get the Heiyo Surface Pen. Now, I'm curious to know what you think about it. Let me know in the comment section below. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's a device or something out there you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram, and of course our website, amdtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMD Tech. See ya.